Some cricket news now. All-rounder Stephanie Taylor says she's not ready to relinquish the captaincy of the Jamaican team, despite being stripped of the leadership of the West Indies women's team at the weekend.
All-rounder Stephanie Taylor left Jamaica as captain of both her national team and the West Indies women, but she returned to the island one responsibility lighter. Taylor was stripped of the West Indies captaincy and replaced by Barbadian Hayley Matthews. But the 31-year-old wants to hold on to the responsibility for Jamaica, despite not having the best of times with the bat.
I wouldn't say that it has anything to do with captaincy. You know, sometimes as players you go through bad patches, and it's something that you have to accept that you're not going to always have good series. And I love captaining Jamaica team. It's an honor to represent and to play with the team that I have. And yeah, I'm hoping that next year we'll bounce back.
In the meantime, Taylor and the Jamaica team did not return empty-handed as they were crowned Cricket West Indies T20 Place champions.
I thought we did really well. I mean, we lost the 50-over competition, but I thought we put up a pretty good fight in that to get the T20. I thought it was a really good effort. Yeah, not getting beaten by Barbados so many times is not ideal, but at least we came home with something.
Coach of the team, Shane Brooks, while pleased with the T20 title, was disappointed having lost to Barbados in the 50-over final, a third defeat of the season against the same opposition.
Well, I'm happy that from my first season we came back with at least one trophy. After 2.5 years of not playing any cricket, we are really happy to come back with something. I think we had a good enough team to come back with both trophies, but we were outplayed by Barbados on three different occasions, and rightfully they won the 50-over championship.
Bernardo Brown for TVJ Sports.